Good morning, wonderful Samuel Ward, Year 10 and 11 students. It's my absolute privilege to be able to deliver this assembly to you today. Now, the focus of today's assembly is you and your future, and how I hope so much that you will all be dreaming very, very big. Now, I will start by talking to you about people's life goals. Now, I want you to have a think about what you notice about the life goals for men and women. You'll probably notice that the most important thing for both men and women is to be financially secure. And obviously, you can also see to be happy, have families, but also to have a very successful and fulfilling career. And that is exactly what we want every single one of you to be able to achieve for yourselves and your family and your future. So we look first of all to the kind of skills that companies are most wanting in 2020 and going forth. So you'll notice on the left hand side there are the 5 top soft skills. A way for you to be able to show your compassion and personable skills, so your creativity, your collaboration, your teamwork. Whereas on the right hand side, you've got the top hard skills. Now, you'll notice that a lot of them will relate to your IT ability. So, for instance, a new one coming in at number 1 is being able to use blockchain, which is a special kind of database and coding systems that many companies have as a desirable trait. Another one you can see on there is UX design. So that's the user experience design. So looking at user behavior and usefulness of software. And also another interesting one, another new one in fact, is affiliate marketing. Now, this is performance-based marketing where businesses are rewarded every time a customer is brought to the main company to show interest through their marketing efforts. So that's quite an interesting one. Now, I want you to think about for a second what your dream job is. Now, on the screen, you'll see the top 10, apparently, dream jobs. You'll notice that teachers are right on the top. But I want you to just think quickly, have you thought about this, about your dream career or job? So I thought I'd look at some statistics. So the highest paying graduate jobs in 2020 in the UK are investment banking, law, retail. I don't know whether any of you have ever thought about working in such industries or sectors. Moving on, I also have been researching sort of the most satisfying jobs. You'll notice there that you can see the job satisfaction score out of 5. And you can see here the different salaries and how many job opportunities there are in the UK right now. So the enterprise architect is the top here, and that is a person that is responsible for the upkeep and maintenance of a company or organisation's IT network and services. There are so many jobs out there and so much research for you to look into where you could potentially be in your future. So exciting. So I wonder, have you thought about this much? We've been homeschooling, home learning for quite a while. So good to be back. I wonder if maybe when you were at home, you were thinking about what your future might look like. But if you're not sure, that's okay, because that's exactly what we're here for. We're here to support you and guide you. But obviously, the most important thing is that you spend the next year or 2 years working incredibly hard and gaining support to get the best possible GCSE results that you can get, because that will open so many more doors for you going forward into your post-16 education, whether it be sixth form, college, apprenticeship, university. All of these options are open to you. So what are we going to do to help you on this journey? So during your PD sessions and your tutor time, we've purchased a package called Kudos, which you will be building a personal profile of your likes, dislikes, skills, interests, etc. And it will throw out to you bespoke advice and guidance on potential careers and actually how you'll get there based on your potential grades and again, your interests as a person. And these might be jobs that you've never ever heard of before, and it will give you lots of information about how to get there and what to expect in such a career. Your tutors will help you with this, and you'll also be filling out a step booklet, which again will help you build this portfolio of where you're headed. So we've got so much support to offer you. So our careers practitioner is Mrs. Singleton. Now, over the next couple of months, Miss Singleton will be giving one-to-one bespoke mentoring for all Year 11 students, hopefully before Christmas, to help you decide on your next steps and where you will be going. Mrs. Singleton is also available to advise you, any of you, so just email her to arrange this. We have more. So we have all of our Samuel Ward Careers champions. So maybe you could consider what your favourite subject is. Now, these guys are incredibly well informed and are on hand to offer career and pathway advice within their subject area. Just ask and they would be more than happy to advise you. It's just so important that your dreams should be aspirational, but we must be realistic. You need to work incredibly hard to reach your fullest potential, and then anything will be possible. And how do you know when you've really made it? Well, you make the Samuel Ward Alumni staircase, of course. Of course, I'm only joking, although it makes our alumni incredibly proud to know that they could be inspiring you, which I hope they do. And we are so proud of all of our past and present students, and we're so excited to see what magnificent things that you guys can do in your future. So I guess the message that I will leave you with before I'll pass over to a separate video with some inspirational messages from some of our alumni is our Samuel Ward Academy quote that we stand by. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Good luck, everybody.